Hi everyone, welcome back for another tech video. Today I want to talk to you about internet speed and now how you can improve your internet speed by a lot. So super fast internet compared to normal internet. So this moment in time my internet connection it's wireless. So wireless internet, I've got very good internet, so I'm going to run a test. So I'm going to click go and yeah, always below 50 megabytes per second download, ping at 2. Yeah, it's good. Bear in mind it's good. My son is actually on his computer and he's working on it, so he's using the internet. And I think my wife, she's on iPad as well, using the internet. So it's very good. So 44.46 download and the upload just below 60. Well, 60.54. How can I improve my internet speed? It's very easy, very simple. Get an Ethernet cable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect my wireless internet and connect my wired internet, and you'll see the difference. And here I am now, and at the moment I have my Ethernet cable connected. And I'm going to press go. And it should be a lot faster. So there you go. As you can see, super fast compared to wireless. My point of this is people keep on asking me, oh, I'm paying for this amount of money for my internet, and it says up to speeds. When they say up to, doesn't mean that you'll get the full speed advertised by the internet provider. But also, even though if you have the best internet in the world, wireless always loses signal, and depending on what sort of devices you're using and how many devices you're using, obviously it will lose even more signal. So if you want to improve your internet speed, grab an Ethernet cable and you can see that you get way better results than just wireless connection. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, and even with those you don't know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.